Are you still getting generic, useless outputs from your AI tools, even after you've tried to write the perfect prompt? What if I told you that most professionals, especially in a data-driven field like finance, are making one critical mistake that is costing them hundreds of hours and leaving millions of dollars of insight on the table?
That's the problem. We've already covered the basics of prompt engineering, but today, we're going a level deeper. In this video, I'm going to reveal 3 advanced prompting strategies that will transform your AI from a simple calculator into a strategic partner. We'll go beyond the surface-level commands and show you how to get hyper-specific, actionable insights for your financial models every single time.
This isn't just about getting a better answer. It's about giving yourself a competitive advantage in the new era of AI. And if you don't master these skills, you risk being left behind. I'm going to break down exactly how you can implement these 3 strategies right now. First, we'll dive into the powerful prompt chaining method. Next, we'll cover the role-playing prompt. And finally, I'll show you how to reverse engineer your prompts to get the exact output you need. Stick around because the 3rd strategy is the most powerful and will change the way you interact with AI forever.
The first strategy is what is prompt chaining. This is how you can solve complex, multi-step problems with AI without getting a single mistake. Think about it like working with a junior analyst. You don't give them the whole project at once, you guide them step by step. Instead of asking AI to do everything in one go, you create a workflow where one prompt builds on the last.
And in finance, this is perfect for complex models, risk assessments, multi-scenario forecasting.
Exactly. Complex valuation models, detailed risk assessments, and multi-scenario forecasting. Let me walk you through a specific example, a credit risk assessment. Instead of asking the AI to provide a credit risk rating for a company, which is a single vague request, you break down the process into a series of logical steps.
Here's an example. Prompt structure. Step 1. Scope definition. You are a senior credit analyst at a global bank. Outline the 5 key risk factors to evaluate for a mid-sized renewable energy firm seeking a $50 million loan. Why this works. You are forcing the AI to create a structured framework first, so you're not getting a random answer.
Step 2. Data gathering. Using those 5 risk factors, list the specific data points or metrics we need to collect for each factor. This forces the AI to be specific and gives you a clear checklist for your research. Step 3. Preliminary analysis. For each risk factor, explain how the current macroeconomic environment might affect it. This is where the real value is created. You're prompting for analysis and insight, not just data. Step 4. Final recommendation. Based on the above, provide a credit risk rating from AAA to D and justify the score in one paragraph.
The next strategy is the role-playing prompt. This is the single easiest way to get an expert-level answer from your AI. The mistake most people make is that they simply ask for information. They'll say, "Give me an analysis of the tech sector." But what if you could ask the AI to become a Wall Street analyst with 20 years of experience? This changes everything.
The core of this strategy is to give your AI a specific identity. Instead of just asking a question, you are assigning it a persona. For example, you are a senior equity research analyst at Goldman Sachs with a specialization in the enterprise software sector. Your task is to provide a detailed valuation report on Company X. You have access to their last 5 years of financial statements and all publicly available SEC filings. Your analysis should be concise, data-driven, and conclude with a buy, sell, or hold recommendation.
By giving the AI a role, you are providing it with a mental model to work from. It will access and synthesize information through that specific lens, filtering out irrelevant data and focusing on the metrics and language a professional in that field would use. This moves you from getting a textbook answer to a strategic one.
Now, for the most powerful strategy, reverse engineering your prompts. This is for when you know exactly what you want the final output to look like, but you don't know the most effective way to get there. It's like telling a chef what you want the finished dish to taste like, and then asking them to write the recipe.
Let's say you have a brilliantly simple financial model you've created, and you want to replicate it for 50 different companies. You could waste hours trying to get the AI to spit out a similar model. Or you could do this. First, give the AI a complete, perfect example of the model you've already created. Explain every part of it and why you made the choices you did.
Then, you tell the AI, analyze this model. You will act as a financial data scientist and reverse engineer the prompting instructions that would be required to reproduce this exact model for any other publicly traded company. Your output should be a single, detailed prompt that I can use in the future with fill-in-the-blank spaces for the company name, ticker, and any specific assumptions. This is the ultimate shortcut. You are not only getting the final output, but you are also getting the prompt that created it. This is how you build a powerful, scalable system that can be used again and again.
There you have it. 3 advanced prompting strategies to transform your AI usage. We covered the prompt chaining method to ensure accuracy and prevent errors. We learned about the role-playing prompt to get expert-level analysis. And we unlocked the power of reverse engineering to create scalable, repeatable prompts. Mastering these techniques will set you apart from every other professional using AI today. If you want to keep building your skills and establishing your authority, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. You can also check out our Shorts feed for quick, actionable tips that we've repurposed from this video, as well as our other long-form content. Let me know in the comments below which of these 3 strategies you're going to try first.
Until the next time, see you soon, and don't forget to keep prompting with purpose.